Good day guys and welcome. So if you want to sell branded products using Amazon FBA, the most important step is finding real wholesale suppliers. And here's exactly how beginners actually find them. So first up, you need to understand what they are. What does this mean? So wholesale is not dropshipping and not private label. You buy authentic branded products in bulk from authorized distributors and then resell them on Amazon. And then there's picking up a product first. And then you go to Amazon, to the official website, and we can start a search. So start with research. Use Amazon search and look for products with steady sales, prices above $15, not fragile or oversized. Choose a brand that already sells consistently. So say dresses under 30, you choose some kind of dress with good reviews, right? For example, this. As you can see in my country, it's not available, but just make sure that you can see the price. And then, for example, you visit the store. As you can see, it's Reg I, and you can deal with this store now. And then on Google, you can just search for the brand's distributor. So it's going to be like this. The brand name, in our case, it's Reg I, and you just type in Reg I, and then distributor. There you go. And you search for them. So you can use brand name and distributor, brand name and wholesale, and brand name and authorized dealer. Open the brand's official website and look for wholesale, retailers, or become a dealer. And after that, you can just contact the suppliers. You email the supplier, introduce your business, ask for a wholesale account, request a price list for a catalog, and then use a business email, not Gmail if possible. And also, supplier sources can be used. Check distributors' directories, trade shows, and brand importer companies. These are where real FBA sellers get inventory. And also avoid fake suppliers. Real suppliers don't charge sign-up fees, sell real brands, and require a reseller certificate. If they sell mystery boxes, avoid them. So Amazon FBA Wholesale is about relationships, research brands, contact distributors, and open accounts. That's it for this one. Hopefully this leads you on how to search for Amazon FBA Wholesale suppliers. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.